and I'm so excited po, no, to share this with you. So thank you, Coach Anne. Know how to cut fat, but keep taste in your favorite recipes. All right, so let me share with you po briefly ang aking transformation, no? Um, Yes, I'm Geraldine Tambawan from Fairview, Quezon City, 35 years old and a mom of two, weight loss program, and I lost a total of 34 pounds and still counting and enjoying the journey po. So dating extra large, kitang-kita nyo naman po. And plus size yung sinusuot ko. Ngayon, small to extra small na lang. Without that too much na pag-fasting, no? 5 times a day pa nga po akong kumakain. At nakakatuwa, no? I-share ko mamaya kung paano ba ito. And when I started with Herbalife, I used to be I was a former full-time BPO trainer and a part-time virtual assistant. And dahil tutok sa trabaho lang, I had extremely sedentary lifestyle. At yung pinaka-ayoko po doon kasi very poor yung eating habits ko and food choices na nag-lead talaga na mag-gain ng extra weight. Hindi lang ako, pati yung pamilya ko. Syempre, di ba po, kung anong lutuin at ihahain ng nanay, ayun ang food ng lahat. Tama po ba? At kagaya nung mami na share kanina, no? Kung ano yung tira ng anak, ikaw yung taga-ubos. Agree po ba yung mga nanay dyan? Type 1 naman, no? Kung agree kayo doon sa idea na yun. Yun. So, I had a lot of discomforts and I tried mga fad diets na nakikita ko po online. Sadly, hindi sila sustainable for me. And ayun nga, I gained more weight than I lost. I lost my confidence at mas magastos dahil sa mga na-develop na mga health concerns. And I'm grateful to have found a solution at Herbalife, no? Consistently for over a year now, I've been taking our complete healthy breakfast, aloe, tea, and shake, and our favorite supplements, no? The F2 vitamins and minerals, fiber and herb, fiber bond, at ang personalized protein powder. Ayun, along with my whole family na ito, hindi lang ako, no? Kasi kung naging healthy ako, I can't help but really share it, no? And always, yung mga anak ko, yung pamilya ko, yung naiisip ko na dapat healthy din sila. Ayan, kaya yun. So, nung una nga kami lang ni husband, but since we understand and appreciate yung balanced nutrition because of our community, ang kids, parents, yung in-laws ko ay na-improve na din talaga ang nutrition through Herbalife, no? And bilang I consider myself na mas wais na nanay na ngayon, mas takot na nga pong maubusan ng shake kaysa ng bigas. And salamat talaga sa transformation ng mindset, na-transform din yung relationship ko sa pagkain and I feel lighter, I gained more energy, I got my self-confidence back, o di ba? At nakakapag-exercise na din ako na hirap kong gawin po yun dati. Ang pinakamasaya, hindi pa balik-balik yung pagtaas ng timbang. Nasusustain ko na talaga. So, na-address na yung health concerns ko, nagka-bonus pa ako ng weight loss and na-improve din pati yung mentality, personality, and spirituality. So bukod dun sa results namin, no, nakakatuwa kasi may mga pa-training dito sa Herbalife na nabanggit kanina, di ba, yung ating um, extravaganza. So talagang we do our best po na mag-qualify sa hindi lang sa local training like yung Kickstart and yung mga spectacular natin, no, even yung ating an international event. And our first international event was last year, Thailand Extravaganza. So I was there raising the flag representing the Philippines, no, na hindi ko akalain na pwede ko palang i-represent ang Pilipinas. Nakakatuwa, over 25,000 people na nandun, supervisors, no, and 14 countries. I was there raising the flag of the Philippines. Very emotional po ako ng time na yun. Ang gusto ko lang naman gumanda yung pakiramdam ko talaga. Yun po yung pinaka-goal ko nun. And gumanda na yung pakiramdam ko and it gave me more bonus, no? And yung deeper po yung naging purpose namin, ako mismo yung purpose ko sa buhay dahil dun sa event na yun. Kaya I'm so excited about the future because I know with Herbalife, no, as my and my family's nutrition partner, di na po ako takot tumanda, na nakikita ko yung mga 50 plus and mga 60 plus dito sa ating community na ang tataas pa rin ng energy, blooming pa din, glowing ang skin. I don't feel like, na takot na akong mag-edad. Dati ganun po ako. So, ngayon hindi na. So, and nandito yung possibility na ma-improve health, even yung income, andito na po lahat. That's why I really love Herbalife. So yan. And let's proceed na po sa ating topic. All right, how to cut fat but keep the taste in your favorite recipes. All right. So, ang unang tanong, at saan ba tayo mag-uumpisa, no? All right. So since, 'di ba, tapos na March na ngayon, no? And ayan na nga. Um, ikatlong buwan na ng ng taong 2025. So yung iba baka na-frustrate na sa mga naging New Year's resolution ninyo. Ito na yung sagot, no. Let's do the changes kasi ng paunti-unti lang po. So paano ba yung paunti-unti? Let's start with our go-to foods. Okay? Paano ba magkaroon ng makeover sa ating mga recipe to make it healthier pero hindi sobrang taas ng calories or sobrang taas ng fat. So unang-una, okay, ano ba yung mga go-to foods? Ito po yung mga pagkain na madalas or paulit-ulit mong niluluto para sa family or para sa sarili mo. Alright? Bakit? Kasi yung mga food na yon, since yun yung aware ka na lulutuin mo or mas madalas mong lulutuin, no? This week, the coming week, alam mo yung list ng ingredients. So just look over the list of your ingredients and let's see kung meron bang pwedeng iswap, mga pwedeng palitan. Just that this is what we did. This is what I did po personally, no? And unang-una, why do we do that? To reduce the fat and the calories and at the same time, boost the nutritional value of your dishes. All right? So, here are some samples on how you can look over the list and swap. Okay? So, for example, no, sa iyong dish, kailangan mo ng sour cream, let's say pang pa-dressing or whatsoever, maybe you can use plain yogurt. Okay? Or maybe, magsa-spaghetti ka, ang madalas mong ilagay ay ground beef. Maybe this time you can swap it with ground chicken. Yung turkey, pwede rin. Mas maganda yan. Siyempre, American, ano po kasi ito article, no? Alright, pero sa Philippines, you can use ground chicken. Pero kung may pambili ka ng turkey, go ahead. Kasi isang napakagandang option din po yan. Alright? So, ako na-try ko na po yan. I even add carrots to my spaghetti to add the fiber in it. So imagine mo, akala mo lang yun, no? Sauce and beef lang. Pero may additional fiber pa yun na dagdagan ko rin ng mushroom, okay, para mas talagang ma-boost pa yung nutritional value. Alright? So yun na nga, add more fiber. So aside from adding the veggies in the pasta sauce, you can swap white rice with brown rice. Okay, if you're concerned about the price, now if you're gonna look at the difference, guys, tiningnan ko last time, 53 or 60 pesos na ngayon yung white rice na binibili namin. Samantalang yung brown rice, 70 pesos lang per kilo. So imaginein mo yung difference nung presyo nila. Pero yung fiber na makukuha mo sa brown rice, sa black rice, okay, mas mataas kaysa dun sa white rice. So, sometimes you just have to also prioritize. Okay? And then, maybe you can sneak some fruits into a salad or side dish. Alright? Para madagdagan talaga yung fiber and yung mga substitute, no? Let's use substitute ingredients that provide nearly the same taste. Okay? And I'll have more. Mas marami pa po akong mga bibigay sa inyo ng mga tips in a bit. Alright? So step 2 natin. So we only have 2 steps. Ano yung una? Look over the list and swap. And ang ating pangalawang step, okay, pangalawa at huli, look at the amounts of some of the ingredients to see if you can change them to make them or make the dish healthier. So just look at the amounts and change. What does it mean? Okay? So aside from the ingredients, no, swapping the ingredients, let's also take a look or let's also be aware of the way we cook them. Kasi nakaka-affect din po yun sa texture, nakaka-affect yun sa calories ng pagkain at sa nutrition value ng pagkain. The way we cook the food, the way we prepare the food. Alright? So, one of the tips, okay, let's say yung pagkain na gagawin mo ay kailangan mong i-fry. Okay? So, imbes na i-deep fry mo siya, maybe it's better, it's okay na i-saute mo na lang siya, igisa, or i-stir fry mo. Okay? That way, mas ma-retain or mas madami yung nutrition na ma-retain kasi kapag finry po natin, as you know, bukod sa natutunaw yung nutrition or yung nutrients from the food, okay, nasusunog, nasisira yung nutrients from the food, nadadagdagan ka pa ng bad fat, alright, mas tumataas pa yung calories nun. Okay, nadodoble actually. Alright, so saute or stir fry instead of frying. Next, okay, if you are using salt or sugar, baka kayang mas kontian na lang ang ilalagay na salt or sugar. Alright? And next, maybe you can double the vegetables. Okay? So, dati kung nilalagay mo lang isang carrot, isang potato, maybe you can make it two this time or dalawang carrots, dalawang potatoes na. And dagdagan mo pa ng konting mga greens. Okay? So, that's how you double the vegetable. All right? And you'd be surprised, no? At how many calories you can save with just a few changes to the way you cook your food. All right? So, caution lang, okay? Just a bit of caution. Don't try wrong or right. Or don't try to wrong or right. What does that mean? Okay? So, naisip nyo, okay, sige, meron akong fish and vegetables dito. So, low calories to, mataas sa protein, mababa sa fat. So, yun nga, isipin mo, i-ano ko to, i-fry ko. For example, no, talong. Okay, yung talong, ang sarap niya ng prito, di ba? Okay, pero pag pinrito mo yan, again, yung sinabi ko kanina po, no, mababawasan talaga yung nutrients and at the same time, tataas pa yung fat. So, let's not be fooled into the thinking that yung konti yung calorie ng ingredients mo, so you can just do whatever with the food, the way you cook them. So let's be mindful of the cooking then, the process, the preparation. All right? So let's remember, no, small changes lang po yung gawin natin, no, to our recipes. Small changes lang. Huwag yung sobrang laking revamp talaga agad sa ating recipes. Okay? Kasi small changes to your recipes can lead to big calorie cuts. And a few ingredient swaps can make home-cooked dishes so much healthier and a little bit better for you and your family. And of course, small steps taken together can add up to big results. Sabi nga, no, small steps, one step at a time, okay? And paunti-unti, okay, magiging big results yun. Kasi syempre, yung small steps, they're often easier to handle than huge, sweeping changes which can be unsettling, okay? Or hindi mo masusustain kasi ang bilis, ang laki agad ng difference na ginagawa. Alright? Okay, so ito, here are some ingredient swaps and tips for healthier dishes. You can take a screenshot. Alright? So, sino mahilig dyan sa soup or sa mga meatloaf, mga casseroles, yun, mga salad, no? Alright. Let's add diced vegetables. Kung hindi diced, maybe grated vegetables sa ating mga soup, sa mga pasta, no? Mga pasta sauce para ma-reduce natin yung overall calories nito and at the same time, boost nutrition. Alright? So, sino naman mahilig dyan sa mga steamed vegetables. Okay, so another way na mas magandang pagluto. Again, instead of frying, deep fry, you can also try pala yung sa mga meron dyang mga air fryer para yung food mas maluluto on its own oil. Alright? Or better yet, kung walang air fryer, that's fine. You can also steam your vegetables. And nakakatuwa pa dyan, iwanan mo lang, di ba? For example, sa rice cooker, no? Pag ako may ginagawa, dalawa yung rice cooker, yung isa para sa brown rice iluluto, tapos yung pangalawang rice cooker, doon ko ilalagay, for example, yung broccoli or cauliflower na ipapartner sa, let's say, chicken barbecue. Okay? So, imagine mo, naluluto na silang sabay doon habang may ginagawa akong iba, di ba? So, very smart, not just the food choice, but also the preparation. Okay, so season your steamed vegetables kasi alam naman natin pag steamed yung vegetable, bland yung lasa niya, di ba? So why not season it with lemon, vinegar, herbs, okay, maybe add some garlic, onion, and spices rather than relying on butter or sauces. Okay, what else? Okay, add fruits to salad for a change lang, no? Mag-try ka ng fresh orange or tangerine sections, maybe apples or kiwi or pineapples, no? And instead of using just iceberg lettuce, you can add or use green leafy vegetables, okay, for more nutrition. And another thing, dito talaga, ito sobrang na-appreciate ko ito, no? Hindi na kami na bubulukan ng fruits and veggies when I learned about freezing vegetables and fruits. Okay? So, di ba, ang mahal ng broccoli and cauliflower. So, recently, I bought like more than 3 kilos ata yon. Since inuluto ko siya ng pa-chop-chop, no? Pa-portion-portion. So, what I did, pinagparte-parte ko and then nilagay ko sa freezer. Okay, tapos yun yung ini-steam ko. Kagabi yun yung ini-steam ko, yung last, yung 1/3 ng broccoli and cauliflower. So, yung nutrition value niya, or pag may bibili pala kayo na frozen na, okay, na fruits and veggies, it may be less expensive pa ha, and allow you to eat foods that might not be available all year. Okay? So, magandang way to. Yung mga saging, bago pa sila masira, hinahati-hati ko na yan or sinaslice ko na yan na parang ano na sila, blender ready na. And I put it in Ziploc bags, or kung meron kayong mga canister, parang hindi na kayo bumili no, ng Ziploc na plastics. Okay? Pwedeng-pwede yun. Tapos i-freeze nyo lang, and then the time na mag-shake ka na, pwede mo nang i-add yung fruits or yung vegetables. Alright? Next, you can thicken soups without added butter, flour, or cream. Okay, dati talaga ito yung ginagamit ko pang create ng roux, no? Yung flour and butter. Ngayon, I realize na pwede pala na broth and vegetables, i-blend ko lang. Total, meron na akong blender. Kung may blender din po kayo, try it. I-blend mo po sila together and then ibalik dun sa soup para yung soup mas maging thick. Alright? And you can make your own cream soups pa, no? By cooking your vegetables with broth, onions, garlic, and seasoning. Tapos ipopuree mo din siya sa blender, no? With a little evaporated non-fat milk or yung mga soft tofu, okay? For delicious creamy soup. Alright, next. Try different mustards and vinegars for seasoning salads and veggies without fat. Okay? So instead of using yung mga mayo na high in fat, no, let's use mustards, vinegars. Kami po, ito I realize I can do that pala. Nandun kami kila Mother Arlene. You can use our aloe. Yung aloe natin, lalo yung mango flavor, ang sarap niyang ilagay sa salad. As in, so na-double na yung nutrients mo, no? Tapos meron naka-aloe ka pa, no? Grabe yung cleansing, detoxification, ang saya. All right? And double the recipes for dishes or double recipes for dishes that freeze well. Grabe yung power ng pag-freeze, no? Okay? Yung mga soup, mga stews, and mga casseroles, yun yung mga pasta sauces po namin. Pag gumagawa akong pasta, dinadamihan ko na para hindi ako luto ng luto. So gagawin ko, magtitira lang ako ng ilang pasta sauce para the time na gusto namin magpasta, no, I don't have to redo. Pwede ko nang ito, yung pasta sauce na yon, and then eventually, i-reheat ko along with the pasta. So, ang sarap na fresh yung pasta mo, tapos may sauce ka na kaagad na available. Hindi ko na kailangan maghiwa-hiwa agad. Alright? So, instead, yun nga, pwede mong gawin yon para in case na very busy ka, pero you wanna cook or you wanna have something hearty and healthy, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangang mag-resort sa pagbili sa labas. Okay, sa mga drive-thru or mag-order sa Foodpanda or saan ba na ordering platform. All right? So, 'yon ang some of the ingredient swaps and tips for healthier dishes. And you can also try these simple recipe swaps. For example, no, yung ground beef nga. So, kung yung food mo na lulutuin ay kailangan ng ground beef, maybe you can substitute it, okay, kung available, or makakahanap ka ng ground turkey, chicken breast, or ito, maganda to, plant-based substitutes like soy ground round. Okay, ito yung ginagamit to ng mga vegan na pamalit sa beef. Kasi yung texture niya, pang ano talaga, pang meat talaga, meat substitute siya. So, how do you use it? Spray pan with pan spray before browning. Drain any fat from the pan after browning, and then soy ground round is already cooked. So, that's how you prepare it. All right? Next, let's say, kailangan mo ng butter or margarine for baking. So, instead of using those options, you can use applesauce instead. Okay? Pag naisip ko apples, pag naririnig ko to, naisip ko Gerber, Cerelac. Alright, and yes, you can use it. Applesauce, no? Or yung pureed na apple, baby food na prunes or carrots, and even mashed banana or avocado. Okay? You will need to experiment though. Okay? You can usually replace 1/2 or more of the fat in the recipe with one of the substitutions. Okay? This can cut the fat and boost nutrition. O, di ba? All right. Another swap for vegetable, for butter. To saute vegetable, no? Did you know that you can use pan spray or broth or wine? Kung meron ka dyan natitirang wine, pwede mo siyang ipang saute, and vegetable juice. Okay, all you have to do, spray mo yung pan mo with the pan spray or saute it in wine or broth or vegetable juice. Tapos cover lang yung pan to sweat. Pagpapawisin mo lang yung vegetable para maluto siya sa sarili niyang moisture. Okay? And cheese. Okay? You can substitute cheese like yung especially kung Parmesan or cheddar, you can substitute it with reduced fat cheese like cottage cheese and ricotta cheese. Okay? And also you can ask your sponsor, ano pa yung other, yung mga nag-invite sa'yo dito, how they do it. You can ask in your community. Feel free to ask sa mga GCs, all right? And they will be happy to share with you. Or even ask nyo si paring Google, no? Ask lang kayo, what's a better substitute for cheddar or Parmesan cheese or any other cheese, okay? So yan, use reduced fat cheese and reduce the total amount in the recipe kung kayang-kaya naman. Okay? And next, eggs in baking. So yes, healthy naman yung eggs, Coach Jay. Why do I have to replace it? So alam naman natin po yung yolk nun, di ba? Or meron lang tayong allowable amount of egg intake a day. Alright, so if you still really want to use the egg, you can use the egg whites instead or egg substitutes. Okay? Yung egg substitutes po, same thing. Yung parang sa soy ground round kanina. This is a substitute, vegan substitute for egg. Okay, this is 99% egg white. Egg substitutes are 99% egg white. And you can also use 2 egg whites to replace 1 whole egg in baking. Okay? And next, mayonnaise. Okay. So ako, personally, yung ginagawa ko, imbes na real mayo, nung tiningnan ko yung calories niya and yung nutrition content, yung value, when I compared it with the Magic Mayo, no, I really saw the difference. Ang laki ng difference. So yun, ginagamit ko yung mga non-fat mayo na ngayon. Sometimes, mas maganda yung mustard and yung hummus. Okay? So just use them or avocado kung meron kang available, at least mas natural. All right? And then for nuts naman, yes, we know nuts are really high in protein, no? Plant-based protein to. However, mataas din po ito sa fat. So, kung nagugutom ka, one tip, don't eat nuts agad-agad. Okay? Kasi mapaparami yung kain. So, be mindful lang, be intentional. You can reduce it by half. So, tingnan din yung nutritional value kung ilan siya per serving. Alright? And reduce it in half. Alright? And mindset lang. Okay, mag-thank you ako. Ginagawa ko, thank you na kaagad, Lord, na itong half ng food na to makakabusog na sa akin. Sa chan ko at sa mga cells ko, babalik silang happy. Ganon. So, for added flavor, toast lightly in a dry skillet to enhance the flavor of your nuts. Okay? Okay, next. White rice or regular pasta. We mentioned this earlier. Instead of white rice, you use brown rice or yung mga whole grain pasta. Okay? Like quinoa, millet, and buckwheat. Sour cream and cream cheese. So last na to. Okay, imbes na sour cream cheese nga, cottage cheese. So meron pang healthier version. You can use almond milk or yogurt. Okay, ito yung mga non-fat versions natin. Okay, evaporated non-fat milk in place of cream. So plain non-fat yogurt is a great substitute for sour cream. All right, so let's remember po, no, to cut down on fat and calories when cooking, let's use more whole grains and add more vegetables and fruits to our dishes. And lastly, always have fun experimenting. Okay, let's not look at it as a burden. Kasi let's have fun, let's enjoy our journey, let's enjoy the preparation and the cooking. Kasi you'll be surprised na mag-end up ka na mas gusto mo pala yung healthier version at magugustuhan din ng family mo even better, no? Yung healthier version ng recipe. Okay? All right. So, we're so blessed here at Herbalife kasi 'di ba bukod dun sa ating global nutrition philosophy na balanced nutrition ng kailangan and magiging bonus na lang yung pag-correct ng ating mga weight. Okay? May it be weight gain, weight loss, or pag-maintain ng health or whatever it is. Okay, we have all the products that we need as our smart, okay, science-backed, award-winning products na nandito na sa market for over 45 years in 90 plus countries. So yung pagtitiwala, yung resulta, yung effect nito, no? We are even awarded as the #1 active lifestyle nutrition brand in the world. Okay, #1 in weight management and well-being. Okay, and in the world. So andyan lahat ng mga products, inner products, outer products. If you can substitute your whatever you're using now, for example, shampoo, no, and conditioner, better if you use the science-backed premium products of Herbalife. Okay? And it's your turn na. Okay? You choose the breakfast, you choose the food. I'm not saying you cannot eat tapsilog. Again, the timing. All right? And look at the comparison. All right? So it's up to you. Sa mga nag-healthy breakfast na dyan, congratulations. Sa mga matatagal na nagbe-breakfast 15 years, 19 years, 28 years, congratulations. Saludo po talaga ako sa inyo for really prioritizing your health and doing it. No, talagang yun na yung lifestyle. Okay? Lifestyle na pag-prioritize sa health. All right? So just a few thoughts lang before I end this. Okay? So many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health. So sinabi kanina ni Coach Cecil, di ba, our health is our investment. So let's treat our health as our bank account. Okay? And yung mga good food choices natin are our good investments. Okay? So it's really important that we prioritize our health now before it's too late. So yan. So thank you po. I hope I was able to add value to you today and give justice to your time to listen to me. So thank you so much po and back to you, Coach Anne.